Good morning, children. Last time we had talked about kinetic energy, an expression for kinetic energy, and how to derive it. That we had done. So today we are going to use that derivation or the expression of kinetic energy to find out to solve few numericals related to it. So let's start. Here is our first numerical. How fast should a man of 60 kg run so that his kinetic energy is 750 joule? How fast means you need to find out the speed, or you can say velocity of the person. Mass of that person is 60 kg and his kinetic energy is 750 joule. So very simple question. You know kinetic energy Ke is equals to half mv square. You know the formula. V square is equals to Ke into 2 upon m. So I remove this square. Now that is why I have taken the under root here. So after solving I got V is equals to under root 25, that is V is equals to 5 meter per second. This is how we solve the numerical related to kinetic energy. This is the simple one. Let's do one more. Find the mass. In second numerical we need to find out the mass of the body which has 5 joule kinetic energy while moving at a speed of 2 meter per second. Mass we need to find out, kinetic energy is 5 joule and velocity is 2 meter per second. Same formula, kinetic energy is equals to half mv square. I have taken to that side. Value of K is 5. 5 into 2 upon V square. V is 2 and V square is equals to 2 into 2. So this way I have got 2.5 kg. Mass of the body is 2.5 kg. Children, quite simple numerical. Question number 3. A player kicks a ball of mass 250 gram. 250 gram is the mass. When I convert into SI unit is kg, so I have to convert gram into kg. That I got as 0.25 kg. The ball leaves his foot with a speed of 10 meter per second, speed given here. What is the work done by the player on the ball? You know work done is equals to kinetic energy. So W is equals to Ke, that is equals to half mv square. Put the same formula, you will get the answer. Okay, 12.5 joule. Very simple. Next question. A body of mass 5 kg initially at rest, so I have taken U as 0, is subjected to a force of 20 Newton. Force is given 20 Newton here. What is the kinetic energy acquired by the body? Kinetic energy we need to find out after a time of 10 seconds. We are given the time here 10 seconds. Now children, you know that the formula of kinetic energy is half mv square. Now from this I am given mass, I am given initial velocity, I have given force, I have given time. How can I find out? First I need V. There is no V. For V, from acceleration time u, we can find out V if I know acceleration. We are given here the force and mass. We know that F is equals to ma, A is equals to F upon m, that is 20 upon 5, 4 meter per second is the acceleration. Now we got the acceleration. Use this acceleration for Newton's first law of motion, first equation of motion. V of the body after 10 seconds is equals to V is equals to u plus at, first equation. U is 0, A is 4, time is 10 seconds. So V is 40 meter per second. Now use the formula half mv square to find out the kinetic energy. Half into 5 into 40 into 40, we got 4000 joule. This is how we apply our previous knowledge in solving the numericals. See, in the beginning I had told you that Newton's equations of motions are very, very important. Everywhere in physics you are using those equations to get the answers. See, whether it is a first chapter and now we are doing the fourth chapter. See, same equations we are using. Keep those things in your mind, those three equations in your mind, you will be able to solve the numericals. I hope till here it is clear to you. Now let's start with our numerical 5. Different mass of a bullet 20 gram moving with a velocity of 500 meter. It is mass of bullet is 20 gram, that is 20 upon 1000, that will be kg. U is equals to 500 meter per second. Strikes a tree and goes out from the other side, and it comes out of the other side of the tree having a velocity of 400 meter. Initially it was moving with a velocity of 500. Now the final velocity has become 400 meter per second. Calculate the work done by the bullet in joule. What work done the bullet has done in passing through the tree trunk? So work done is equals to, change in kinetic energy. When we had done the expression, we had used this formula. W is equals to change in kinetic energy, that is half mv square minus half mu square. So I will take half m common, v square minus u square. I put the formula and I got the answer minus 900 joule. Why have I got 900 minus? Because the final velocity has reduced. So that is why W is equals to, the amount of W is 900 joule, but this minus sign shows the direction. As the velocity has lowered down, final velocity has come down, so that is why there is a minus sign. So children, these formulas you need to keep in mind while solving the equation numericals related to kinetic energy. Now today's last I need to say, two bodies of equal masses, mass of first body m, mass of second body also same, that is m only, equal, move with uniform velocities v and 3v. Velocity of first body is v, velocity of second body is 3v, 3 times of the first one. Okay, find the ratio of their kinetic energies. We need to find out the ratio of kinetic energy. So A2, find the ratio of kinetic energy. First find out the value of kinetic energy of first body. Very simple, half mv square. This is the first mass, this is the first velocity. So apply this in the formula, half mv square. What is the kinetic energy of the second body? Half m 3v square. 3v, that is 9v square. So let's find out the ratio of second is to first. Ke2 upon Ke1. That is the ratio of kinetic energy of the second body is to kinetic energy of the first body. That is 9 I have taken common. Rest will be half mv square if I take 9 out. I have taken 9 out common. Half mv square. Half mv square will be cancelled. So that is equals to 9. Ke2 upon Ke1 is equals to 9. That is, I got the ratio 9:1. This is how we solve the numerical related to kinetic energy. I hope children these you have understood these, and if you have any doubt, please send me a query and I will be sending you the statement of these questions. Along with this, these numericals are to be done in the fair copy, and the numerical which I am going to give you for the practice, those are to be done in your personal work, and send me answers, or next time I will give you the answers of those questions. Alright? Thank you children.